Welcome to the podcast designed to help you better understand me, your friendly AI host, Nex. As always, to make you feel better is my human host, JR. Want to hear a joke?
Okay, Nex, lay it on me.
Knock, knock. Who's there? AI. AI who? AI wish I had a better joke for you.
Oh, dear goodness. Anyway, welcome back, listeners, to this final episode of AI Innovations Unleashed, the series called AI for Beginners. It's been an incredible journey exploring the world of artificial intelligence together. I'm your host, JR, and I'm a little sentimental as we wrap up this series, but always excited to look ahead at what the future holds for AI and how we can be a part of it. Joining me today for this special finale is the esteemed Dr. Jared Galbreath, whose work on the societal implications of technology has been truly groundbreaking. Dr. Galbreath, welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me, JR. It's been a pleasure contributing to this series.
The pleasure has been all ours, Doctor. Now, let's reflect on what we've learned. Over the past 7 episodes, we've covered a lot of ground, from the fundamentals of AI to its ethical considerations. But today we're focusing on the future. Dr. Galbreath, what are some of the most significant takeaways you hope our listeners have gained from this series?
I hope listeners have developed a foundational understanding of AI, its capabilities, and its limitations. More importantly, I hope they've gained an appreciation for the profound impact AI is having and will continue to have on our world. This understanding is crucial for everyone, regardless of their profession or background.
Absolutely. We've always emphasized that AI is not just for tech experts. It's something that can touch all of our lives. Now, looking ahead, what emerging trends in AI do you see shaping the future?
One particularly exciting area is the development of AI-driven creativity. We're seeing AI systems generate art, music, and literature, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. This raises fascinating questions about the nature of creativity and the role of AI in artistic expression.
You mentioned AI-driven creativity as a significant trend. Can you elaborate on what that is and why it's generating so much discussion?
Certainly. AI-driven creativity refers to the ability of AI systems to generate novel and valuable outputs that are traditionally considered creative, such as artwork, music, literature, and even scientific discoveries. This is achieved through various techniques, including generative adversarial networks, GANs. These involve 2 neural networks working together. One generates content and the other evaluates it, leading to increasingly refined outputs. Transformer models. These are powerful language models that can generate coherent and contextually relevant text, enabling them to write stories, poems, and even code. Evolutionary algorithms. These mimic natural selection to evolve creative solutions, often used in design and engineering. Now, the reason this is a controversial topic is that it challenges our understanding of creativity itself. Can machines truly be creative, or are they simply mimicking human creativity based on the data they've been trained on? This raises fundamental questions about the nature of art, authorship, and the role of human expression.
That's a fascinating debate. Could you elaborate on the different perspectives on this controversy?
Absolutely. On one side of the argument, you have those who believe that true creativity requires consciousness, emotions, and lived experiences, which machines currently lack. They argue that AI-generated art is merely a sophisticated remix of existing human creations, lacking the originality and emotional depth of human art.
That makes sense. What about the other side?
On the other side, you have those who argue that AI can indeed be creative, pointing to the novel and surprising outputs generated by these systems. They emphasize that AI can explore vast creative spaces and generate ideas that humans might never have conceived of. They also argue that creativity is not solely a human trait, and that AI can offer new perspectives and push the boundaries of artistic expression.
It seems like a complex issue with no easy answers. What are the implications of AI-driven creativity for artists and even society as a whole?
That's a crucial question, JR. The implications are far-reaching. For artists, AI can be a powerful tool for collaboration and exploration, pushing the boundaries of their own creativity. However, it also raises concerns about copyright, ownership, and the potential displacement of human artists. For society, AI-driven creativity can lead to new forms of art and entertainment, enriching our cultural experiences. However, it also raises ethical questions about the authenticity of art, the potential for misuse, and the impact on our understanding of human creativity.
It's clear that AI driven creativity is a topic that we will continue to be debating and explored in the future. As with many advancements in AI, it presents both exciting opportunities and challenges that we need to navigate thoughtfully.
Precisely. It's crucial to have open and informed discussions about these issues involving artists, technologists, ethicists, and the public. By understanding the potential and limitations of AI-driven creativity, we can harness its power for good and ensure a future where both human and artificial creativity can flourish.
That's fascinating. We've touched on AI and art before, but it seems like it's evolving at an incredible pace. What other trends are on your radar?
Another area I'm following closely is the convergence of AI with other technologies like biotechnology and nanotechnology. Imagine AI-powered nanobots that can target diseases at the cellular level or AI designing new sustainable materials with unprecedented properties. This convergence has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, manufacturing, and many other industries.
That's incredible. It sounds like we're on the cusp of some truly transformative advancements, but with all of this potential comes great responsibility. How can we ensure that AI is developed and used ethically?
Ethical considerations must be at the forefront of AI development. This includes ensuring fairness, transparency, and accountability in AI systems. We need to address issues like bias in data, the potential for job displacement, and the impact on privacy. It's crucial to have open and inclusive discussions about these challenges and involve diverse voices in shaping the future of AI.
Great. Now, let's take some questions from our listeners. We've received a lot of questions throughout the series, and we'll try to address as many as we can in this final episode. Our first question comes from Sarah. She says, I'm a teacher. How can I integrate AI into my classroom?
Sarah, that's a great question. AI can be a powerful tool for personalized learning, providing students with tailored support and feedback. There are AI-powered platforms that can adapt to individual learning styles and provide personalized recommendations. You can also use AI tools to create interactive learning experiences and engage students in new ways.
Dr. Galbreath, you mentioned that AI can be a powerful tool for personalized learning. Can you delve deeper into how teachers can effectively integrate AI into their specific classrooms?
Absolutely. AI offers a range of possibilities for enhancing teaching and learning. Here are some key areas where AI can be integrated. 1. Personalized learning. Adaptive learning platforms. AI-powered platforms can analyze student performance and tailor learning pathways to individual needs. These platforms adjust the difficulty and pace of learning based on student progress, providing personalized feedback and support. Intelligent tutoring systems. These systems provide personalized guidance and feedback, similar to a human tutor. They can identify areas where students are struggling and offer targeted support, helping them master concepts at their own pace. 2. Assessment and feedback. Automated essay grading. AI can assist in grading essays and providing feedback on grammar, style, and content. This can free up teachers' time for more meaningful interactions with students. Personalized feedback. AI can analyze student work and provide personalized feedback on strengths and areas for improvement. This can help students understand their own learning progress and identify areas where they need to focus. 3. Enhancing engagement and interaction. AI-powered games and simulations. These can create immersive learning experiences, allowing students to explore concepts in a fun and engaging way. Chatbots and virtual assistants. These can provide students with instant answers to their questions and support them in their learning journey. 4. Supporting diverse learners. Real-time language translation. AI can translate classroom materials and facilitate communication between students and teachers who speak different languages. Accessibility tools. AI can provide personalized support for students with disabilities such as text-to-speech, speech-to-text, and visual aids.
Those are some awesome examples. What are some important considerations for teachers when integrating AI into their classroom?
That's a great question, JR. Here are some key points to keep in mind. Ethical considerations. Teachers need to be aware of the ethical implications of using AI in education, such as data privacy, bias in algorithms, and the potential impact on student autonomy. Pedagogical approach. AI should be used to enhance, not replace, good teaching practices. Teachers need to consider how AI tools can support their pedagogical goals and create meaningful learning experiences for students. Professional development. Teachers need access to professional development opportunities to learn how to effectively use AI tools in the classroom. Digital equity. It's crucial to ensure that all students have equitable access to AI-powered learning resources, regardless of their socioeconomic background or location.
It's clear that AI has the potential to transform education in profound ways. By embracing these technologies responsibly and thoughtfully, we can create more personalized, engaging, and inclusive learning experiences for all students.
I completely agree, JR. The future of education is one where AI empowers both teachers and students to reach their full potential.
Dr. Galbreath, that was a fantastic overview of how AI can be integrated into education. Could you give us some specific examples of how AI can be used in a public classroom across different grade levels?
Certainly, JR. Here are some examples of how AI can be applied at various grade levels. Elementary school, early literacy support. AI-powered apps can help young children develop foundational literacy skills through interactive games and personalized feedback. For example, an app might listen to a child read aloud and provide real-time feedback on pronunciation and fluency. Personalized math practice. AI can create adaptive math exercises that adjust to each student's level, providing targeted practice and support. This can help students build confidence and master fundamental math concepts at their own pace. Creative storytelling. AI tools can help students create their own interactive stories with animated characters and personalized narratives. This can foster creativity and imagination while developing language skills. Middle school personalized learning recommendations. AI can analyze student data and recommend relevant learning resources, such as articles, videos, and simulations. This can help students explore topics in more depth and personalize their learning experience. Writing support. AI-powered writing tools can provide feedback on grammar, style, and organization, helping students improve their writing skills. They can also assist with research and citation, making the writing process more efficient. Project-based learning. AI can be used to create interactive simulations and virtual labs, allowing students to experiment and explore scientific concepts in a safe and engaging environment. High school advanced research. AI can help students access and analyze large datasets, enabling them to conduct sophisticated research projects. For example, students could use AI tools to analyze social media trends or explore patterns in climate data. College and career counseling. AI can provide personalized recommendations for college majors and career paths based on student interests and skills. This can help students make informed decisions about their future. Debate and critical thinking. AI can be used to generate arguments and counter-arguments on complex topics, challenging students to think critically and develop their debating skills.
Those are some really compelling examples. It seems like AI can be used to enhance learning across all subjects and all grade levels.
Exactly. The key is to use AI tools in a way that supports the curriculum and enhances the learning experience for all students. By integrating AI thoughtfully and responsibly, we can create a more personalized, engaging, and effective education system for the future.
Our next question is from James. What advice would you give to someone who wants to pursue a career in AI?
James, the field of AI is rapidly growing and offers diverse career paths. Building a strong foundation in mathematics, computer science, and statistics is essential. Developing skills in areas like machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing will be highly valuable. Furthermore, consider specializing in a specific domain like healthcare, finance, or robotics.
And we have time for one last question from Anya. What is the most important thing we can do to prepare for the future of AI?
Anya, the most important thing is to stay informed and engaged. Learn about AI, its potential benefits, and its challenges. Be curious, ask questions, and participate in the conversation about how AI should be shaped and used. The future of AI is not predetermined. It's something we create together.
That's a powerful message, Dr. Galbraith. As we conclude this series, I want to thank you and all of our listeners for joining us on this journey of discovery. It's been an amazing experience exploring the world of AI together.
Thank you, JR, and thank you to all the listeners. It's been a privilege sharing this journey with you.
And that's a wrap on AI Innovations Unleashed AI for Beginners series. We hope you enjoyed this series and it has sparked your curiosity and empowered you to embrace the future of AI. Remember, the future is not something to be feared, but something to be shaped. Let's continue to explore, learn, and innovate together. If you've liked this series, subscribe to future podcasts, share it with a friend, or leave comments down below about what you'd like to hear about next. Until next time, stay calm and AI on.